Hi, in this video, let me show you how to set up Apple CarPlay with your Nissan car, Altima, Rogue, Sentra, and many other models. So the first step before connecting your phone to your car, what I suggest is you go into the settings of your iPhone. We need to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. So over here you see Bluetooth on, I'm good. And also go in general, software update, and make sure you have the latest update available on your iPhone. This is important. Finally, we need to make sure that Siri is enabled on your phone. So you go down and select Apple Intelligence and Siri. You don't have to turn on Apple Intelligence for this to work, but over here, allow Siri when locked is important, so make sure this is checked. Take a USB cable, and you need to make sure that this USB cable is capable of transferring data. Those cheap USB cables that you can get at the dollar store sometimes are not working well with CarPlay. So get a quality one. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you don't have one. You can also use the USB cable that came included with your iPhone. That one is a good one. And we're gonna plug the cable in either the USB number 1 or the USB number 2. Both of these are working with CarPlay. It doesn't matter in which one you plug it. Now connect your phone to the USB cable, and in a few seconds it should be recognized over there, and Apple CarPlay should start. So over here I'm gonna say allow, continue. I'm waiting, and now CarPlay appeared on the lower portion of the screen here. Before it wasn't there. So I'll press on it, and here we go. You have access to Apple CarPlay. Now, if after plugging your phone you don't see this appearing, CarPlay is not appearing here and nothing is happening on your phone, what I suggest is you go into the settings, you swipe like this, you go in apps, CarPlay, and make sure that here always is the option that is selected, because sometimes it's never, and that's not the right option. You should select always. Every time you want to get to CarPlay, you're going to press the menu button and it will always be in the section down below. So this is CarPlay. You can swipe left and right to get to your apps, just like on your iPhone. And if you want to go back to your Nissan menu, well, you can click the menu button here and you'll be back, or let me go back into CarPlay. You can click the Nissan app and it will bring you back to your radio and other stuff. The apps that you see currently on the display are the apps that are compatible with CarPlay, because not all apps that you have on your phone will appear over here. And if you want to change the order in which these apps are displayed, for example, let's say I'm gonna use YouTube Music quite often, therefore I don't want it to be on the second page, I want to bring it right on the top here. Well, you cannot simply do it on the screen. We have to go on the iPhone to change the order. Open settings. We need to go into the CarPlay settings, so I'll go and search here, type CarPlay, open CarPlay. Your Nissan should be under My Cars. Tap on it. Select apps. And here are all the apps that are on CarPlay. If you want to change the order, as I said, let me find my YouTube Music here and I will bring it on the top, so I don't have to search for it on the second page. And you can see these change live on the display of your car. So let's say I don't want the Nissan app to be there. I can bring it down and as you see, it updates in real time. Now you can also select in your Nissan CarPlay menu on your phone, widgets. And here you're going to have access to two stacks, stack number 1 and stack number 2 of widgets. You can add widgets by pressing add widgets. You can change the order, and to see your widgets on CarPlay, you're going to swipe towards the right side once. And here you're going to see your Google Maps and whatever is playing a podcast, your music. But if you swipe again towards the right side, you're going to see your widgets appearing, and you can shuffle through them by going up and down. You can use this button on the steering wheel of your car to talk to Siri, or you can say, "Hey Siri." Cancel. To ask about weather, to ask about texting somebody, you can say to call one of your contacts. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.